Hey you guys, welcome back. My name is Jimmy, aka Badass Farmer, with my trusting wife in the background filming.
Hello.
Today I got a special treat for you guys. I'm gonna be making a mac and cheese, plant-based mac and cheese, and a lot of these ingredients actually you can grow yourself. Now if you don't have everything, you can tweak things here a little bit, but today I'm gonna be pulling some carrots, and I figure, oh, this is a perfect time to make some mac and cheese, because this is one of the ingredients that we use for making the cheese. So yeah, it's gonna be really
fake coloring here.
That's right. That's right. No artificial colors, no artificial flavors, right? It's all real stuff, all organic, or as much as organic as you can get it. But yeah, this is gonna be the most amazing plant-based mac and cheese you've ever had in your life. In your life! So let's get to it! Pro tip, guys, never throw away your scraps. You can get some free veggie broth just by taking your leftover scraps when you shave your onions. Cut up your onions, you don't shave onions. Shave up your garlic. You don't shave garlic either. Carrots is what I'm trying to say. So carrots, garlic, onions, all those scraps, mushrooms, don't throw any of that stuff away. We got a little bag, we usually keep it in the freezer, and then once this gets completely full, which we're pretty much there, and just dump it in there, just like that. And we usually go through something like this, maybe what? I don't know, once a couple
Every
weeks.
couple weeks.
Yeah. And then we make this, and it makes about 2 jars of veggie broth. And I use the veggie broth for anything from soups to when I'm sauteing stuff. And these are the jars we use. These are the ball jars. You know, go up to four cups. But anyway, so yeah, you'll get 2 of these after filling this up. So just a little tip for you guys. All right. Alright guys, so this is the final result. I put a little extra nice gooey cheese on top just because I likes it gooey. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Alright, so let's just give this a nice little taste test. Oh man. Alright, buen provecho. That's good mac and cheese, guys. You really have to try this recipe. A quick note, one of the things we did change, because the original recipe did call for cashews, and we used to make it with cashews and it's really good, but considering how everything is really expensive now, cashews are not cheap to get, and I like to be able to grow as much of the ingredients as I can, so we switched to the sunflower seeds
And
and pumpkin seeds, because that's obviously something we can grow. You know, the cashews require, you know, tropical environment, and as much as I would love to be in a tropical environment, we don't live in a tropical environment. So you know, grow what you can with the area, the zone that you're in. So that's what I say. So we're definitely looking to do more of that. So all right guys, so that's it. I hope you liked the recipe.
Oh, and if you want to bump up the protein just to eat it as a full meal, which is what we usually do,
Yeah,
you can use red lentil
Yeah.
noodles.
Yeah, and we make an awesome, I mean, yeah, there was a really good recipe that we made. Chili, yeah, and the kids love it. I mean, and I'm sure if you guys have kids, they'll love it as well. So we use the noodles. We'll do a whole recipe on that if you guys want to. But the chili I make, also plant-based, is so good, hearty, so full of flavor. And we use the same kind of noodles. So anyway, I just want to expand on that a little bit. But yeah, guys, try out the recipe. Tell me what you think. If you want to see more videos like this, you know, give me a like, give me a share, you know, post some comments that you like it, because we're going to be doing some new stuff on the channel, guys. So if you guys are cool with it, you know, if not, whatever. All right, so I'll see you guys next time. Enjoy, bon appetit, and be safe out there. And don't live in fear. Stay in your heart. All right.
Grow your garden.
Grow your garden. Grow your own food. All right. Much love, guys. Peace out.